Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to dive into a very useful Excel function, writing the name of the month, whether you're working on financial reports, projects, timelines, or personal budgeting. Knowing how to display the month name can add clarity and professionalism to your spreadsheets. So let's get started. Click on the cell, type equal, text. For value, choose the cells, dates, then comma, then quotation mark, 4 times M, then double quotation mark, then cross parenthesis, then enter. As you can see, the first month is January. To apply for others, just double click here or just drag it. Automatically,